Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, it's Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001. Very sorry for a very long wait. Anyhow, today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2022 Mazda CX-3. And it's actually the all-wheel drive. Today, I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour of the CX-3. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through the performance details, show you a bunch of features on the inside as well as the outside. Well, I don't think it's an SUV. I think it's a little car. So, just bear with me. And so, without further ado, let's hop on in, start her up, let her run. It's a light blue exterior. And you have black cloth interior, but this got seat covers on it at the moment. I just gotta move the seat back. I've never actually done a CX-3 before. This is actually my first time to do one. Also has push button ignition, so all you gotta do is keep the key on you, put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Nice. Starts right up. Roll down the automatic driver's side window. It's a 4-spoke design, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Pretty basic. And it'll, as you can see, there's sport grips off to the side with black stitching. I believe this is a 4-speed automatic transmission. Now I'm not going to shift it because just in case the car moves. Your parking brake is located right here, and I think it's electronic. Hold on. Yeah, it works. Uh-oh. I think the parking brake is stuck. So, the headlights are already on, and we'll turn on the hazards. Huh? I don't think you're able to see the right flasher. Electronic park, and you also have sport mode. And I think the parking brake is fricked. I don't see the parking brake coming off. Anyways, we'll review the exterior. This one got dual exhaust. You gotta love it. You gotta love the dual exhaust. And that's your trunk, but so that's your trunk. All-wheel drive. And we'll review the interior. You do have manual shift by the paddles. Your controls. I'm just gonna turn down the turn that down. Now this has to be a 4-speed automatic transmission. I'm gonna show it this time. Manual shift. You also have backup camera with guidance signs. So, let's pop the hood. So this that's your engine.
Four doors for you.
But it has electronic parking brake, but when I pull it up and push it back again, I didn't see the light coming off.
Yeah.
So I don't know what happened. So my buddy Dad is going to check out the parking brake. All right, let's close the hood. Did you fix it?
Yeah, I had to take it out of park and then press it, but you're not. I don't want you taking it out of park. Anytime you shut it off now anyway, okay?
Alright.
Still do your video, but you should shut off the engine.
So let's shut her off. So that goes on to the conclusion. Now I'll talk about the interior first. So that's your fan speed, your temperature, your different zones. Let's turn it off just in case it doesn't make any noise. So that's your heated seats and your steering wheel heating. And that's your turn signals. I just didn't know the left signal worked. So that's your gas opener. So that goes on to the conclusion. So that goes on to the conclusion once again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the 2022 Mazda CX-3. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and goodbye.